area of the curve with constant c with a quarter circle. Quarter. To the right is the graph of f prime of x. Label f prime of x. Check. Which is the derivative of f of x. Okay. F prime of x consists of a line segment, and a quarter circle, as shown. If f of 2 equals 3.5, okay, then f of negative 5 equals, okay. Okay, so we're given, so this is f prime of x, and so f of x is the integral of f prime of x. And we can write it out as negative 5 to 2 of f prime of x equals f of 2 minus f of negative 5. Yep. And we know, do we know? I think we know. We know that, so we are given this value right here. And we can find this value here by the area under the curve. And so all that's left is f of negative 5. So then with some rearranging, if I do f of negative 5 equals f of 2 minus integral negative 5 to f prime of x. There we go. That seems reasonable. And f of 2 is 3.5, so I'll just put that in. I could wait to the end, but I am not very good at waiting. I have a very high time preference. F prime of x dx. Okay, and this one, as I said earlier, is just area under the curve. And so to find that between negative 5 and 2, we will use, what is it, geometry? 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 up. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. This is 2 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Negative 2 because it's below the curve. This is a quarter circle with a radius of 2. So a quarter circle is area over 4, which equals pi r squared over 4, which equals pi times 2 squared over 4, which equals pi. So this will be negative pi because it's below the x-axis. And so when we put this all together, we will have 3.5 minus, and I'll do quantity here. That way I'll try and keep the signs correct. Minus 4.5 minus 2 minus pi equals 3.5 minus, so this will be 2.5 minus pi. But then we will distribute the negative sign. Distribute the negative. There we go. And we're left with 1.5 plus pi. No. 1 plus pi. Or possibly pi plus 1. Okay. And see what our possible answers are? Ah, right here. This is it. We have pi plus 1. Yes, So that's how we solve this problem. Kind of a unique setup. But again, you're given some information. You write down what you have. And you just put down ideas on paper. And you just mix them around until you get something that you can solve. So in this case, we went from negative 5 to 2. F prime of x equals f of 2 minus f of negative 5. Because this is how you solve an integral. And then we know that 1 is area under the curve. 1 is given to us. And we're left with one unsolved part, which we can then solve for. And that is how you would do this question.